G'day everyone. What if one simple tool could change the way you cook? Not someday, but today. This isn't just an oil bottle. It's a dual function sprayer and pourer designed to streamline everything from salads, grilling and roasting. One tool, endless possibilities, and the more you use it, the more you realize how much time and mess you've been wasting. Built from premium BPA-free materials and thick lead-free glass, it's engineered to last. The transparent design lets you see exactly what's happening inside. And trust me, that becomes more important than you think. With a 470 milliliter capacity and a wide mouth opening, refills are rare and effortless. No more spills, no splatters, no frustration, just clean, simple control. Each spray is about 0.2 grams of oil, precise control, intentional. And suddenly, you're not guessing, you're cooking with purpose. And thanks to a no dirty hands design, you stay clean while your food gets perfectly coated. It feels good, it feels efficient, it feels different. And here's the part that surprises most people. It comes with a lifetime assurance, because tools built this well aren't meant to be temporary. If this video caught your attention, please check out my many other reviews that I have on my channel. As always, if you'd like to find out more about this item, please click on the link below. And always, we appreciate you if you can hit the like and subscribe button. As always, it helps out the channel quite a bit. We appreciate you watching these videos, and we'll see you on the next one.